सर तुमचा माईक ऑफ आहे.
Now it is coming. My voice is coming.
यस सर.
Okay. So today I am going to deliver a lecture on the logic gates. So this topic is very important from the examination point of view, and it is also important from the practical examination point of view. So in today's my presentation, I will include the logic gate, some important terms about the logic gates, then AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, etc. All these logic gates we will study in this today's lecture. So what is meant by the logic gate? Logic gates are the basic building block of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more input and the only one output. So that is nothing but a logic gate. The logic gate is the electronic circuit which is having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and output is based upon the certain logic. So based on this logic, gates are named as the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, etc. So these are the different gates. Okay. Now the we will study these some important terms about this logic gate. So first very important term is the voltage mode logic and current mode logic. Voltage mode logic and the current mode logic. So these are the two modes of the logic gate. So a particular gate can use or follow either current mode logic or voltage mode logic. So in a current mode logic, the logic 1 or 0 state is represented by the certain current levels. For example, suppose logic 1 state is represented by the plus 5 volt. Logic in current mode logic, logic level 1 or 0 is represented by the certain current level. For example, so logic 1 state is represented by the higher current level and logic 0 state is represented by the lower current level. Okay. In voltage mode logic, the logic 1 or 0 state is represented by the certain voltage level. In voltage mode logic, certain logic levels such as 1 or 0 is represented by the certain voltage level. For example, suppose plus 5 volt is represented by the logic state 1 and the 0.02 volt or below is represented by the logic 0 state. Okay. So here this type of logic is nothing but positive logic. Here higher voltage level is given to the is given to the logic state 1. Means higher voltage level, then higher state. Okay. Then lower voltage level and lower state. Okay. Now, what is meant by the positive logic and negative logic? The operation of logic gate is also discussed on the basis of what is known as positive and negative logic. A gate is said to be the following the positive logic when its logic 1 state is represented by the voltage level which is more positive than the voltage level representing the logic 0 state. In positive logic, logic 1 state is represented by the higher voltage level, and logic 0 state is represented by the lower voltage level. A gate is said to be following the positive logic when its logic level 0 state is represented by the voltage level which is more positive than the voltage level representing the logic 1 state. Logic 1 state. So the positive logic and negative logic, they are complementary to each other. Okay. So what is there in positive logic? Higher voltage level is represented by the higher logic level is represented by the higher voltage, and lower logic level will be represented by lower voltage. So higher logic level is the one, and higher voltage level is the, in digital circuit, it is the plus 5 volt, and lower voltage level is the lower logic level is 0, and higher lower voltage level is 0, means it is the ground. It is the ground. 0 means it is connected to the ground. And in negative logic, it will be a reverse. Then some important terms. Again, we will see that are the truth table and the Boolean equation. So whenever we are coming across the logic gate, we will always come with the truth table and the Boolean equation. So what is the truth table and Boolean equation? The operation or working of any particular gate can be understood in terms of either truth table or Boolean equation. Okay. So with the help of the truth table or Boolean equation, the operation of the logic gate can be explained or can be explained. A truth table is a graphical or tabular representation of the relationship between the input and output logic levels of gate or circuit. What is the truth table? Truth table is the graphical or tabular representation of the relationship between the input and output. So here in this slide, I have shown here the logic gate. So this is the logic gate. This is the logic symbol. It is called the logic symbol. It is the logic. It is the logic symbol. And this logic symbol of the logic gate, it has two inputs and only one output, that is the Y. Okay. So it may have the more than two inputs. It may have more than two inputs, but only one output is there. Okay. So now we will see the truth table of the logic gate. So what is the truth table of the logic gate? Truth table of the logic gate is like this. Suppose there are the two inputs A and B. Then there are four possible combinations, 2 raised to power 2. Always these possibilities are the 2 raised to power n. N is nothing but number of inputs. 2 raised to power n. If two inputs are there, then 2 raised to power 2, that means 4. 4 possibilities are there. So these possibilities of the inputs are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. If suppose there are the three inputs, A, B, C, then what will happen? What will be the number of possibilities of the inputs. The number of possibilities of the input are the 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power n. N is nothing but here 3 inputs. So therefore 2 raised to power 3, and that is nothing but the 8. 8 possibilities are there for the 2 inputs, for the 3 inputs of the logic gate. If suppose there are the 4 inputs, then 2 raised to power 4 will be the number of possibilities of the logic gate. Okay. So this is about the logic symbol and the truth table. Now another useful method of explaining the operation of a gate is to write its Boolean equation. So this is another method of explaining the operation of the logic gate, that is to write the Boolean equation of that logic gate. So what is the Boolean equation of that logic gate? The Boolean equation of the logic gate has the 3 basic components. 3 basic components are there. First one is the input variable. So like this A and B, these are the input variable. Then the output variable. So output variable is this Y is there, and the Boolean operator. There is a third term which is the Boolean operator. So this Boolean operator is not there. I will tell you in the next slide. Okay. So in the Boolean equation, there are 3 main terms: input variable, output variable, and Boolean operator. The input variables are nothing but the inputs A and B, I have told you, and output variable is the Y. And the operator, the Boolean operator and logic gate are almost synonym. Boolean operator or logic gate, they are synonym, they are same. So what is that Boolean operator? I will tell you later on. Then first logic gate that we are going to study is the AND gate. So in the AND gate, this logic AND gate. Okay. So the IC, integrated circuit of the AND gate, the quad 2 input AND gate is the IC 7408. So this is the IC, integrated circuit 7408 is the number of this AND gate IC. What is the AND gate? The AND gate is an electronic circuit. AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives the high output when all its inputs are high. When all its inputs are in the logic 1 state. So output of the AND gate is in the logic state 1 when all its inputs are in the logic 1 state, or you may call it as a high. Okay. So Boolean equation, now you can see Boolean equation of this AND gate, Boolean equation of 2 input AND gate is Y is equal to A cross B. A cross B, or you may write here A dot B. A dot B भी लिखा जाता है, where cross or dot are called the AND operation. It is called the AND operation. A dot or cross is used to show the AND operation, that is A dot B. A cross B or A dot B, this is nothing but Boolean equation of the AND gate. Now the logic symbol of the AND gate is shown in this. Okay. So this is nothing but the logic symbol of the AND gate. What is there? There are the 2 inputs A and B, and such type of or is there, and to the output we get the y. Output is the y is equal to a plus a dot b or a cross b. So that is nothing but the logic symbol of the AND gate. Then, as there are the two inputs, what are the possibilities of the two input AND gate? Various possibilities of the two input AND gate. So here there are the four possibilities are there. 2 raised to power n, 2 raised to power 2. Two inputs are there, therefore 2 raised to power 2 is nothing but the 4. So there are the four possibilities of the input. 0, 0, both inputs are 0. One input is 1, another input is 0, and this one input is 0 and another input is 1, and lastly the 1, 1. Both inputs are high. So the output of the AND gate is represented by in this truth table. So when both inputs are 0, then output is 0. Output of AND gate is 0. When any one of the input is 0, then again the output is 0. And when both inputs are 1, then and only then the output of the AND gate is 1. Output of the AND gate is high. Output of the AND gate is in the logic 1 state. Okay. So this is about the AND gate. Okay. So you have to study this in the practical. Now, the another gate is the OR gate, and IC of this OR gate is the IC number is 7432. This is the IC of the OR gate. And what is the OR gate? The OR gate is an electronic circuit. Any gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output if one or all of its input are high. One or all inputs are high, then the output of the AND gate OR gate is high. And Boolean equation of this OR gate is y is equal to a plus b. A plus b. Here a plus is used to show the OR operation. Plus sign is used to show the OR operation. And logic symbol of the OR gate is as shown in this slide. Here A and B, these are the two inputs, and Y is the output. Y is the output, and that Y output is nothing but the A plus B. So whenever you are drawing the symbol, draw in the same manner that I have drawn here. So in that logic symbol, there should be always inputs. It may be 2 input, it may be 3 input, it may be 1 input, and only one output, that is the Y. And for the OR gate, Y is equal to A plus B. Y is equal to A plus B, that is nothing but Boolean equation of the OR gate. And what is the truth table of this OR gate? So the truth table of this OR gate is here A and B, these are the inputs, and Y is the output. Okay. Now here, as there are the two inputs, what are the possibilities of the various possibilities of the inputs? So 2 raised to power n. 2 raised to power n. N is nothing but number of inputs. How many inputs are there? 2 inputs are there, and therefore 2 raised to power 2, it is equal to 4. So 4 various possibilities of the inputs are there. So for the OR gate, when both inputs are 0, then output is 0. When any one of the input or all inputs are 1, then output is 1. Here output is 1, here output is 1, here output is 1. What is the condition? When any one of the input is 1, or when all inputs are 1, then the output is 1. Output of the OR gate is 1. So that is about the OR gate. And IC of this OR gate is 7432. So this IC is also the it is known as the quad 2 input OR gate. Quad 2 input OR gate. Now we will study the another gate. That gate is the NOT gate. Another gate is the NOT gate, and IC of this NOT gate is the 7404. So NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produces an inverted version of the input at its output. What it produces? It produces the inverted version of the input. Means if suppose the input is 0, then output is 1. If suppose the input is 1, then output is 0. So that is nothing but inverted version of the input. It is also known as the inverter. It is also known as the inverter. Or you make this is nothing. The output is nothing but a complement of input. Output of the NOT gate is the complement of input. Complement means if 0 is there, its complement is 1. If 1 is there in the input, then its complement is 0. So you may call this NOT gate as the NOT gate or inverter, and as such inverter or NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produces the output to be a complement of complement. Now, so if the input variable is A, then its inverted output is known as the NOT A. NOT A means we can write it as this is the A, then complement of that. This is the output Y. If the input is A, then output Y is equal to A complement. So here it is shown here. So logic symbol of the NOT gate is like this. This A is the input, and here there is a triangle, and at the end of this triangle there is a bubble, and this is the output, and this output is the Y is equal to A complement. And what is the truth table of this NOT gate? Truth table of this NOT gate is here there is only one input. Here there is only one input. So what are the various combinations of the input? So input A may be 0 or A may be 1. Means 2 raised to power n. N is nothing but number of inputs. N is here 1. So 2 raised to power 1 means 2. Two possibilities are there, or two various combinations of the input is there. So 1 or 0. So when the input is 1, then output will be 0. When input is 0, then output is 1. So this output is the complement of the input. Output is the complement of input. Complement means if it is 1, then output is 0. If it is 0, then output is 1. Like this. So this is about the NOT gate. Then the another gate is the NAND gate. NAND gate IC, and IC of this NAND gate is the 7400. So this is the number of the NAND gate IC, 7400. Now, what is the NAND gate? This NAND gate is a NOT AND gate. NOT AND gate. NOT gate followed by AND gate. So AND gate is followed by NOT gate. So which is equal to the AND gate followed by a NOT gate. पहले AND gate रहेगा और उसके आउटपुट को NOT gate लगाया जाएगा, and that will be nothing but a NAND gate. So output of the NAND gate are high. Output of the NAND gate are high if any of the inputs are low. Any of the inputs are low. Okay. So the symbol of the AND gate with a small circle on the output. The symbol of the NAND gate is similar to the AND gate, except that at the output side there is a circle. This circle represents the output is the complement. Output is the complement. So the symbol of the NAND gate is this. So there are the two inputs A and B, and there is only one output, that is the Y, and that Y is nothing but here A dot B bar. A dot B bar. It is the AND gate. NAND gate. The Boolean equation of the NAND gate is Y is equal to A dot B bar. A dot B bar. And what are the possibilities of the inputs? What are the possibilities of the two input NAND gate? So there are the four possibilities of the two input NAND gate: 0 0, 1 0, 0 1, and 1 1. Okay. And output of this NAND gate is when they both inputs are 0, then output is 1. When any one of the input is 1, then output is 1. And when both inputs are 1, then output is 0. This is nothing but complement of the input. You can see the truth table of the AND gate. In the truth table of the AND gate, what is there in the output? So it is the 0, 0, and then 0, and lastly there is a 1. And this is nothing but इसका यदि complement लेते हैं, so that will be nothing but this one. So NAND gate is the equal to the AND gate followed by the NOT gate. AND gate के बाद में NOT gate लगाना है, and that circuit will be nothing but the NAND gate. Then we will study the next gate, that is the NOR gate, and IC of this NOR gate, IC number of this NOR gate is the 7402. 7402 is the IC number of the NOR gate. Now what is the NOR gate? The NOR gate is again similar to the NAND gate, but only slight difference is there. The NOR gate is a not OR gate, which is equal to OR gate followed by a NOT gate. OR gate के बाद में NOT gate है. So the output of the NOR gate are low. Output of the NOR gate are low if any one of the inputs are high. Any one of the inputs are high. So the symbol of the OR gate is an OR gate with a circle on the output. Here, ये सर्कल यदि यहाँ पे नहीं रहता है तो इट इज द सिंबल ऑफ ऑर गेट. यहाँ पे यदि सर्कल आ जाता है तो ये नॉर गेट बनता है. And there are the two inputs A and B, and here at the output we get Y is equal to A plus B bar. A plus B bar. This is the Boolean equation of the NOR gate. And what is the truth table of the NOR gate? NOR gate. So when the output of the NOR gate are low, output of the NOR gate are low when any one of the input is high. यहाँ पे देखो हाई इनपुट है तो जीरो है, हाई इनपुट है तो जीरो है, हाई इनपुट है तो आउटपुट जीरो है. So like this. So this is nothing but the truth table of the NOR gate, and IC number of this is integrated circuit of IC 7 of NOR gate is IC 740. So all these you will require in the practical exam. You have to perform the practical on this gate. The next gate is the XOR gate, and IC number of this XOR gate is the IC 7486. 7486. XOR. XOR means exclusive OR. EX is for exclusive OR. It is the OR gate, but one condition is excluded. Which is that condition? So the exclusive OR gate is a circuit which will give the output, high output, which will give a high output if either but not both, either but not both of its input are high. आउटपुट हाई कब मिलेगा? either or both inputs are high. Then we get the output to be high. Or you may call it as a exclusive OR gate is a electronic circuit which will give the output high when inputs are different. When inputs are different. And this encircled plus sign is used to show the XOR operation. The plus sign encircle plus sign, प्लस सर्कल निकाला है, प्लस साइन निकाला है और उसको सर्कल किया, तो दिस विल बी नथिंग बट showing the XOR operation. And Boolean equation of this XOR gate is Y is equal to A direct sum B. It is called the direct sum. Encircle plus sign is nothing but the direct sum. And the logic symbol of this XOR gate is shown in this figure. So what is that? A and B, these are the inputs, two input XOR gate is there. Then this is the symbol of OR gate, but there is a this curve line is there. Curve is there before in the input side, and output of this XOR gate is Y is equal to A direct sum B. A direct sum B, and this is the symbol of the XOR gate. It is the EXOR, exclusive OR gate. And what about the truth table of this exclusive OR gate? So there are the two inputs, and therefore four possibilities are there. Four number of combinations of the input are there. So 0 0 output is 0. 1 0 output is 1. 0 1 then output is 1, and 1 1 the output is 0. So here output is high. Output is high if either but not both. Either but not both inputs are high. Or you may call it as a when inputs are different. Inputs are different. One है, दूसरा zero है. ये zero है, तो ये one है. Then in that case, we get the output to be a one. Otherwise, output will be the zero. So, output of the XOR gate is high when the inputs are the different. When inputs are the different. Okay. So this is about the exclusive OR gate. Then next gate is the XNOR gate. XNOR, exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate. The exclusive NOR gate is an electronic circuit. Uh, electronic circuit. Exclusive NOR gate circuit does opposite to the XOR gate. It is opposite to the XOR gate or complement of the XOR gate. So it will give the low output. It will give the low output if either or both are either but not both. Either but not both of its input are high. The symbol of the XNOR gate is an XOR gate with a circle on the output. Here XOR gate का जो symbol है वही symbol है. Only there is only difference is that there is a circle. There is a circle at the output of this XOR gate. So that is nothing but the output Y is equal to A direct sum B, complement of A direct sum B. And the truth table of this XNOR gate is that output is low. Output is low when inputs are different. Output is low when inputs are different. Two inputs are there. Inputs, ये एक इनपुट 1 है तो दूसरा इनपुट 0 है. एक इनपुट 0 है तो दूसरा इनपुट 1 है. ऐसे कंडीशन में ही आउटपुट 0 मिलेगा. अदरवाइज विल नॉट गेट द आउटपुट 0. When both inputs are similar, when both inputs are similar, then output is 1. Otherwise, it will be 0. When the inputs are similar, means 0, 0, then output is 1. Then when input is 1, 1, then output is 1. So this is about the exclusive NOR gate. This is all about my today's presentation.